video 19, I'm going to talk about how you select the right architect for you. Trust is the most important factor. Years of experience and knowledge are necessary for you to tap in, as you would for a medical specialist. Take the time to do it once and get it right. I've had 4 clients sell in 30 years, all for the same reason. Want to know what that is? One unkind person said I only did 4 jobs. No, they all wanted to move closer to their children's preferred high school or university. So now that's in my brief, even for newlyweds. Why? Because it can be heart-wrenching after doing all this hard work to leave the perfect building. The reality is, a building incorporating all the good design elements we talked about will cost more. So will a good designer. You get what you pay for most of the time, and you can really pay for what you don't get. The hard part is working out just what you get for your money. Expect the use of computer technology to fully communicate what you're going to get. Not all architects or building designers are the same. Select someone you like, or you think gets you. Your architect needs to be passionate about your project. Someone you will listen to, even if you don't agree. Someone who listens to you, even if he does not agree. Communication is the key. If you don't get on with him, maybe he can recommend someone that he thinks will do a better job. In the next video, I will wrap up this series of videos.